Wagwan sports fans, welcome back to this side at Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most entertaining and everything sports topics, discussions and debates on the internet. Yes, people, we are here at the Schoolboy football opener, where CC will take on Lennon High and Jamaica College will take on Tivoli Gardens High School. People, it's a big one, it's a big one. The crowd is taking its time filling up. You know, we are here early, getting some scenes. I hope you guys can see what's going on in there right now. So excited for this year's Schoolboy football competition, people. And this is just our match day vlog. People, we're here to cover the Schoolboy football opener. Last year, JC, KC slumped Calabar, Georgie slumped Arden. Can we get a violation today? Let's see, people. Like, comment and subscribe to the video. And do one more thing for us though, and that's to share the video to at least 10 people, but make sure to get to 6 subscribers, because if each and every one of you guys can manage to do that, you know how many subscribers that will get us by the end of that day, people, and we'll leave.
Man, I run from police. Judge are you?
Yeah, so the game just kicked off. CC looking a better team already, of course. You can see that CC retained a lot of their players, Thibaut Green, Malachi Douglas, Devante Hodges, Kaim Dixon. A lot of the players, they have most of the players that won them the Dakar Cup last year, so I'm expecting them to just repeat the same. Be the dominant team that they are. They haven't settled in the game yet, but they can tell that they're just a different quality. Perfect. One nil. Who else but Malachi Douglas? Hey. Two love, Christopher Hall. People, the game boring. But they are trying to catch energy, but the game lame. You get me? I say. Lennon not really offer much to them. I tell you the truth. And CC is just better than them. CC, I keep the ball from them. CC just got them second goal. When I think of 15 minutes in it. It rough on Lennon side, but we are going to watch it till, is it?
People, you want to send this piece out there? No man, it's you know the big people in the media as well.
Yeah, too.
Me need something bigger than this.
It fit me. It fit me. I don't know why it fit him. That's a film problem. It fit me quite fine.
People, me a machine in the people.
Left that ball. People. Don't feel like you're fair to the people. Anyways, people, 5-0. CC beating Lennon right now. Game still boring, but we're going to watch it. Is it?
Blood.
A bit embarrassed still, but it was nice. We not give up no more, We not give up no more. So.
Yeah, man, a basket we need, man. A basket we need, man. T-shirt.
What up?
Yeah, that was fun. You don't get the basket, but we still need this. You get a T-shirt. I sign, I just signed. That can't be just to my father. Yeah, people. So first match is done. You know, second match just started. JC versus Tivoli. That's what we're talking about right now. Yeah. Nah, like Tivoli, them look big. The man, them, I don't know where them get them player from. I never see them last year, but some tall guys out there for Tivoli. Nah, tell you, Bridging, he might at least 6'4". You get me? I say, JC look the usual. I don't know what to expect yet. I go and watch a game. I don't like people. Watching the halftime, we go eat some food and talk to a few of the sponsors. So we win one water shirt. You know them way they wear water shirt.
Hey, wait there. Bro, who ya?
Yeah, dog, yo. So we win 2 water shirt and we get 2 free chew shake and thing.
Yeah.
No sponsors yet, but you don't know anything. We have to shout them out same way. Yeah. We're there to watch a game, people. Bam. Time of the second game, people. JC leads 1-0. Been a really good goal from a set piece. There's something of a training ground. Game picking up Tivoli Gardens. Very, very good team, man. As I said, from I saw them warming up, I could tell that this team is definitely better than last year. I think they're going to do well in the Manning Cup this year, so let's see, people. Second half about to kick off. Let's go.
Come on. Take him on, yeah. Take him on. Georgia youth, you know the panda. You know the panda with your father.
Why did ultimately you choose Jamaica College?
True champion goes to Jamaica College.
Simple as that.
Simple as that. I look at ACL injury. I'm level 1, so yeah, it's physio just some can ice and play.
Glad, you know, glad to get 3 points. So it's a pleasure to represent Jamaica College.